In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mix and match bundle in Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Shopify admin, so you can follow along step by step. Mix and match bundles are great for letting customers build their own sets from your products, while you control pricing, limits, and discounts. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. At the top of your admin, click on the search bar. From the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Mix and Match and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for an app called Bundler, Product Bundles. Click on it, then click Install and follow the installation prompts. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken to the Bundler dashboard. Here, look for a card labeled App Embed Status. On that card, click the Embed button. This will open your theme editor. On the left-hand panel, find the Bundler app section and make sure the app is enabled. When you see that it's turned on, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, look back at the left panel and click Manage App to return to the Bundler dashboard. Inside the Bundler dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and find the Bundler section. Click on Bundles. On the Bundles page, click Create Bundle, then choose Mix and Match Bundle. You'll now see the bundle editor. On the right side is your widget preview, and in the center are all the editing and styling options for this bundle. Start under the General Information section. Here, customize the bundle name, the main title, and the description so customers clearly understand what they're building and what the offer is. Next, under widget fields, adjust what your customers see on the bundle widget itself. You can edit the total price template, the call to action button text, and the text that appears under that button to make it match your store's tone and clearly guide shoppers. Move to bundle settings. Here you can change the priority sequence, set the bundle status to active or inactive, choose whether to show the widget for this bundle, schedule when the bundle is available, and configure subscriptions, pre-orders, and the number of renewals if you're using those features. You can also control discount combinations, including whether this bundle can be combined with product, order, or shipping discounts. Adjust the colors to match your brand so the widget feels consistent with your theme. In the discounts section, choose the discount type for the bundle. You can use a percentage discount, a fixed amount off, a set price, a fixed bundle discount, or even no discount at all. You can also decide whether to offer free shipping on the entire order when this bundle is used. Next, choose the bundle product level. Decide whether your bundle works at the product level or down to individual variants. Under discounted products in bundle, click Select Products. A pop-up will open where you can search for and select the products you want to include in your mix and match bundle. Once you've chosen them, click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up. You can then set the minimum and maximum number of items customers must choose in order to qualify for the bundle. This is useful for keeping your margins healthy while still giving flexibility. When everything looks good, scroll back up and click Save Bundle at the top right. Your mix and match bundle is now created and ready to be used in your Shopify store.